Hi everyone, happy Tuesday. We're here at D&E. We're gonna make an arrangement. We wanna apologize because we were supposed to make one last week, but we had a couple of inconveniences. But we wanna get started. So this is one of our models. This is the 1021 gold. So you guys could find this one in our website. So the price of this one is gonna be $28.63. And if you guys order it between the next 48 hours, you guys could get a discount on it.
Yeah, we'll be dropping the coupon code.
We are gonna be dropping a coupon code for you guys to go ahead and order. Okay, so let me get started. So this is the foam that it comes with. If you guys could see the size, okay, and this is the liner that protects the box from getting wet. So I wet the foam already, and let's get started. So we're gonna put our foam in there, and we're gonna get our flowers. So last week, some of you guys suggested we use the white roses. So we're gonna go ahead and use white roses today. Okay. So I usually use a knife to cut my roses. So you're gonna measure it, and then you're gonna put it in there. Okay, and let us know if you guys have any questions. And we're also gonna be adding there our website and the coupon code, so you guys could go ahead and order this model. So we're adding that right there. And you wanna make sure that you start with the middle part, so you could get that heart shape in there. So there goes our third flower. So again, let me show you guys the color. And I'm also gonna add chocolates to this. So usually it'll all be depending on the size of the flower, how many roses you guys are gonna be putting in there. So sometimes the roses come really small, sometimes they're very closed. So you need more or less flowers depending on the size of the rose. So this one is a very easy arrangement to make. So you just gotta make sure you kind of cut the flowers all at the same size. This way you get a perfect heart shape. So for this one, we're using, I think it's a total of, it's gonna be about 12 roses in there.
I'm not sure if it's too far away.
Okay guys, so there's our roses right there. And let me go ahead and get started with the chocolates. So I have these little sticks right here, and those are the sticks I'm gonna use for the roses. So I just go in there and I just poke it a little bit, and then it's ready to go. And you're gonna continue that with all of them. So, sorry. You could also use the ones that glue in there. It all depends on how you guys like to put your chocolates. So you could also add a different color of roses so it could stand out.
Oh, never mind. That sounds good.
Okay. So this is gonna give you a heart shape. So I go around first so I could get a heart shape as well with the chocolates. And we should be adding the promo code so you guys could go ahead and order these and get an additional discount.
Yeah, I'll be putting that on soon.
Okay, so this is the finishing touch. And as you guys could see, it took me about, I want to say like 5 minutes to make. And it's all set and ready. And now you put your lid on it. And for the lid, you have to remove the film that protects it. I usually don't remove it until after I'm done with my arrangement. This way it doesn't get scratched. So it has one on the top and it's gonna come with one on the bottom. So that way your box is protected. I'm gonna go ahead and pull it. And this is a great color for a lot of occasions, anniversaries. So here we go. So here it is, and this is the finishing look. Let us know what you guys think about this one, and don't forget to go to our website and order it. Okay. And here it is. I'll give you guys a second to look at it. And we'll go ahead and move on to our next model. Thank you so much, Lissy. Thank you so much, Lissy. Thank you for watching. And Creative Creations, thank you guys so much. So we're moving on to our next model, and that's the 1004 pink. And I gotta say, this is my favorite model, but we also have it in black. So I'm gonna do the pink one today, and we have the black one over here, so you guys can take a look at it as well. So it also comes in black. And it has a pretty big drawer in the bottom. So it fits quite a bit of things, okay? So for this one, I'm gonna be using peonies and red roses.
Do these come with liners?
These come with foams and liners. So as you guys can see with this, you don't need to use the plastic or anything. You're all set and ready to go. And that's probably why I love these the most, because it makes your job so much easier.
Oh, but the previous one, that one didn't come with liners, right?
No, the previous one does come with liners.
Oh, it does?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Oh yeah, it does. Yeah. I just remembered.
And this is the foam for this one, okay? As you guys can see, it's not that big. A lot of times I get questions asked, how big does the foam have to be? It does not have to be that big. This is good enough right here, okay? For some of our boxes that don't come with foams, okay? So now, let me show you guys. So I previously soaked one of the foams, and let's get started. So again, here's our red rose, and I'm gonna start in the middle. And you kind of want it to like, hi Sally. So I like to go on the middle because that way it gives it that heart shape. That'll be our second one, and as you could see, I try to go around it because you see how you have this gap right here. You want to make sure that doesn't show. And you guys could also kind of like do this to the rose to open it up a little bit, depending on how you guys like your rose. If you guys like your rose more like closed, or if you guys like them more open.
How long do you leave the foam soaking?
I usually leave the foam soaking for at least 3 minutes, and I put something to weigh it down. That way it's completely wet inside, because that's gonna make it last longer. It could, you know, it could make the difference from it lasting 3 days to lasting a week or so. Especially right now that it's really hot. You wanna make sure that the roses are well hydrated. So here we go. Hi Liliana, how are you? So here it is. And here's another one. And I love that these roses are so fresh and so pretty. You know, it's good to check your roses before you buy them, because that makes the whole difference. Okay, and we're also gonna be having a discount on this model as well. Next, I'm gonna add the peonies, and these peonies are really fresh, so they haven't opened up yet. So, I mean, the smell on these is crazy. So I'm gonna put one right here. So it's gonna be a total of 3. No. Cut it too short. And our very last one. And guys, stay tuned, because we are gonna have a lot of new items this week. We're expecting new items to come in this week, so we're hoping they're here before the end of the week, so we could have a live video and you guys have the chance to take a look at them. So this is the finishing look for the top part, and I made a breakable heart beforehand. I mean, it's a really simple one, just so you guys could see how to put it in and how it fits in there. Okay, and let me just open it up a little more. And of course you guys could add strawberries in there, or I mean, it fits a lot of things in there. So let me show you guys the finishing products, so you guys can close it. And this makes a great gift for so many different occasions, birthdays, anniversaries. Thank you, Liliana. Thank you, Diamond Flowers. Thank you guys for watching. And I'm gonna go ahead and open it so you guys can see. Here you go. Okay, and that's our last one, and I hope you guys join us for the next one that we're gonna be having soon, and hopefully before the end of the week we could show you guys our new product that we're having coming in. We're gonna have wraps, ribbons, along with, I believe, if I'm not mistaken, we might have new models as well, so please stay tuned. And let us know something, if you guys have opinions of things that we could bring, that you guys might like, suggestions. Let us know. Also send us videos with the models you guys make with our boxes, because we would like to post them. We love sharing all your creations and your ideas, and you know, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and thank you guys so much.